This is the 11th video of Hydra Coding Challenge, and in this series of recoding other digital artwork or digitally or algorithmic artworks, focusing on Casey's works, and let's just go straight to the topic. In this one, I think I want to try one of these, maybe this one. Yes, it looks a bit different from the last one. It looks kind of Hydra friendly if you see like this kind of grid. But let's see. But the colors, it's always difficult to create something, to kind of design something with Hydra. So let's see how close we can get. And there is also a video. I don't know if I want to watch the video because then I want to create the like similar motion as well. So maybe I'll leave it out and just try to make this kind of image that is close to it. So I will I'll just erase and restart the sketch because it has nothing to do with the last one. So let's see with the image, and okay. I think first thing I can do is I have a solid background, white background this time. Okay, that's a good start. And somehow I need to kind of make these colors. And I was thinking, maybe this was not a good start. I was thinking about gradient. Okay, so yes, gradient. If you use gradient with Colorama, you can always like create interesting colors. Well, not really, but if you look close to the edge here, there's kind of something interesting happening. And if you increase the number, just go wild with Colorama, then you can make pretty interesting image like this, pattern like this. And this is, I feel this is kind of already has like captures like the one in Casey's artwork. Maybe I do like posterize. I don't know, 16 or I don't know, 4. And then maybe I want to make it saturate a bit. So this is just like I'm just guessing, but it's kind of nice, I think. Yeah. So let's say we start from here. And how do I convert this into a grid? Because if I just say repeat, I would not like try to make the same size of the grid because it becomes a bit too dense. So I would just start with like 12, 12 or something. This becoming something different, completely different. Now, how would I make something? I think one thing is I need some kind of masking so that some part becomes white, some part becomes colorful. And to do this, I actually don't know. Let's see the original one just to get the idea. Okay. I need to kind of split, like kind of make a stripe out of it. Maybe I just take the repeat out for now. Just comment this part. Somehow I need to do Luma kind of thing, I think. But this is taking out too much. So maybe like this, a bit more. Yeah, this is actually not so bad. And then again, the famous sketch I made at the beginning, I put it here, and I just layer to it. Let's see how it goes. Okay, that's not bad. And Luma, I think I would go a little bit more Luma. I feel that I will suffer from something with this approach, but I'll just keep going with this. I think it's going to be a little bit too repetitive, color-wise. That's tough. I don't, yeah, this is kind of nice. Maybe this is okay. Now, but again, repeat is not exactly what I want, because this is too repetitive, yes. I need some kind of, what if I, instead of repeat, I do some kind of modulate, rotate. Modulate, rotate is something I really use often. And this works like, for example, if you use noise. Let's keep it static. Okay, this is completely random. But if you combine it with pixelate, for example, so the noise texture is pixelated, and you use that as a rotator, like modulator. Oops. And then it's kind of interesting. It's like every chunk of this grid rotates in the same direction. So you kind of see like it's kind of not shuffling the image, but something like that. And what if, so instead of here doing like repeat 1212 to keep the same, because this will be, yeah, it's just like every piece has some kind of same texture, and you can see visually it's like repetitive. So instead, I would just try with like 4-4 or something. This is kind of getting more interesting, although it's a bit too much. Too much colors. Too many colors. I don't know what exactly I can do. I just saturated it more because I thought it's nicer. Any more Luma? No, that doesn't work. I need more blue colors, but maybe maybe that's like something else. I think the problem really is that the texture is too repetitive, and there's not enough white region. So I just take out the modulate rotate again. Now, how can I work with that? I need some kind of randomness to it. Also, I need some parts that are completely white, perhaps. I don't know. What can I do in order to make it? Also, like modulate rotate, I think, I don't know what the default parameter is, but I would just add something like math pi times 2 so that it has like possibility that it goes like completely 360 degrees rotated. This is kind of okay, I would say. Like if I have to finish this video here, like I can make a compromise. Okay, this was my attempt. But also, I think the problem is this yellow-green part is too strong. And maybe that's actually the thing, that this green-yellow part is too strong. If I take a look at, I just take this out, this thing, I think I would need to crop the image somehow. Maybe somehow recenter it. No, the other way around. Oops. Yeah. Something like this. I'm just like guessing numbers. And then scale it. No, I think I need more. Okay, I'm gonna miss the yellow part, but let's say this is okay. And what if I do, oops, I bring this back in. This is better, I would say. I think it needs a little bit more of color variation. And maybe another thing I would like to have is the modulate scale. With the same idea, like every grid has different scaling. This is not good. Okay, I think I'm hitting this problem that I can't really modulate scale and modulate rotate at the same time, which is problem that I know already. And yeah, because if you see it, like it's already kind of really weird. What if I repeat it 2-2 and modulate scale 2-2? Kind of okay. I'm just like, okay, this it's hard to explain what I'm doing, so I would not explain what I'm doing. I'm very sorry. But I'm trying to like have like 4 grid that has like different size. Maybe. This is kind of interesting because they have different scales, and then if I bring this rotate back, yeah. But I think what I really needed is to make the lines a little bit more dense. Yeah, magically happened, just because if I take all these things out, colorama, if you add more colorama, then it becomes more lines. Don't ask me why. Maybe I just give it 3. Okay, that's kind of not too bad. And what if I just keep these noises a little bit different and also that movement? Yeah, this is a little bit dizzy. This is a bit too dizzy. The other thing is like I want to somehow add color, more like color variation, but I don't know if that's possible. Maybe it's something that I can only, I just need to like hue it. I would leave it as the original one. And yeah, is this okay? I mean, I don't know what is like I can change parameters and tweak them, but I don't know if I can really make a kind of drastic change to it. What if I take this scroll scale thing out again? Oh, that's also interesting. Maybe I leave it like this. Oh, that's also kind of nice. Very different, but yeah, I think I still need to add that red color in there. So it's not the same for sure, but it has the essence. And this time I completely forgot about this because also in the original one, the grid is not square, so I didn't do this at first, but maybe pixelate 12 by 9? No, 9 by 12 to make it a like non-square. And this is actually kind of nice. I like it. It's again, it's different, but it's nice. So I would conclude this video like this, I think. And if you made something that's something similar, or if you found some other techniques that can make it similar to the original one, please write in the comments. Also, if you have questions or what kind of coding challenge do you want to see in the next videos, like just write everything in the comment. I appreciate it so much. If you want to send me like links or something that like more like text that's longer than that fits in the comment, feel free to write me an email. And I appreciate your likes, subscription to the channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.